Okay, so I want you to just practice a couple of chords first, and then it'll make more sense. So the first chord, you have F in the left hand, A flat, and C in the right hand. I just want you to play all those at the same time. And then I want you to play C in the left hand, A flat, and E flat in the right hand. Okay? And then D flat, A flat, and D flat. Okay? So once you practice those three chords, you can do like this. So the first one again, F, A flat, and C. You want to start at the top note. So you play together and then just the other note. And you do that 6 times, starting on C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go to the second chord, which is C, A flat, and E flat, and you play that 2 times. Again, you're always starting on the top note up here. And then the third chord, which was D flat, A flat, D flat, you do that 8 times. Again, starting on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all that together. First one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there's just a couple of more. So the next 3 chords you're gonna learn. First one's like this. It's A flat, and C. Just play that. And then I want you to do this. E flat, G, and B flat. And then the last chord is you have E, G, C. So we go to the first chord. Again, sorry. A flat, and C. And you play that 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the next one, E flat, G, B flat. You do that 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the last one, E, G, and C. You do it 2 times. 1, 2. So the whole thing from the very beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.